video, I'm cooking Grandma a 5-star meal. So, we're gonna be cooking her some hot dogs for now. So, let's go ahead and pop this in here. You want it nice and crispy. Let's do 8 minutes and 23 seconds. And we are gonna need a cup. What? You're gonna need a knife to cut up some of the chili peppers. This one. It looks like the hot dogs are done. You're gonna cut that right there. Open this. Take these out. Oh, almost dropped them. Push you over there. Close that. We're gonna. Trust me, it's gonna be worth it. I'm gonna put some hot dogs inside of here. Shove them down there. Now the chili peppers come in, we're gonna dump them out. We don't need that. We're gonna cut them up. All the small pieces. I'm gonna put a couple in here. You know, Grandma likes her food spicy. So we're gonna add a little bit in here. Alright. Now we got that out of the way. Cut up that hot dog. We cut up 2 hot dogs so it's easier for her. Then we gotta bring them over here. Don't drop it. Uh-oh. Fine. Oh, crap. Exactly how I cook in real life. So close. Gotta get over here. You're gonna push it like that. Push her the lady back. We're gonna add some water so Grandma can get stuff inside. Okay, it's filled up. It needs to be filled all the way. Alright, so we have our hot dogs and peppers in here. Gotta turn off the sink. We are gonna add a little bit of stuff, so let's get into the fridge. We are gonna need a piece of chicken for this. Only one. Close this up. Then let's head up and cook this too. If you guys think I'm a great cooker, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And comment down after I make a video cooking you some food. Set that to 8 minutes and 22 seconds. Now let's eat these for Grandma. It's on the ground. Let's put some. We can put this back because of, I don't know. Oh yeah, we'll put that right there. Wait for that to be done. Which is right now. Oh crap. Chicken! Close that. Head all the way over here. You're gonna need this. Okay. We got chicken bites. We're gonna need 2. Dump that right in there. And then you. Where'd the other one go? Oh yeah, I forgot. You have to add the bone so she can mix it. Look, Grandma. It's gonna be an awesome sauce meal for you. whatever you said, but I think she said she liked it.
I'm legal.
You're illegal?
Hmm?
I don't know idea what she's saying. We are gonna need some cat food. Because every grandma likes eating cat food. My dish. My wonderful dish. Go back in there. Chicken. Chicken. I think everything's gonna fly out soon. I would like to grab you. And slide that in there. Well, actually, we don't need that. But we do need some cat food. But that's a little too much, but tastes very good. She's gonna like them. Grandma, wherever you are, you're gonna love this meal. Alright. Looks like we have everything. I'm putting this up. And I think that should do it. Let's get my meal. Eat that. You have to put things away so I can use them again. Right here. Right there. Then this should do it. So this is Grandma's meal. Yeah, wait, we gotta feed it to her. Oh, I almost forgot the most important thing. Oh, this will be a great spice into it. My wonderful food. Alright. Oh! I need to cut it. Actually, yeah, let's put it in there. Grab it because why not? This too. What the? We are going to need some bread. Toast it. Oh. I almost forgot to set time. There. Let's be a little longer until that finishes. That's the last part. Grandma doesn't like her veggies. Alright, that's just not cooperating. So we're not gonna add that. But our toast is ready. Let's see if we can cut up the toast. Alright. Looks like the toast bites, we are only gonna need one though. So I ate all the rest. Then, boom. Alright, so that's how I cook Grandma's meals every day. She likes them like this. So, yeah. Make sure to subscribe if you make sure to comment down. I'm the best cooker in the world. I'm the best cat cooker in the world. No one could ever be me. So, yeah. Oh, yeah. I think Grandma's watching TV. Let's eat it. Oh yeah. She doesn't know I'm eating her snack right now, so hopefully she doesn't get me. Yummy. She will love this meal, but I'm hungry. Alright, let's throw that away. And let's head over here. Hi, Grandma. Wait, I didn't mean it. I didn't.